Hi friends, in this video I will show you demo how to place bulk order from Excel using my Algo software. So please take a look at my Excel sheet. It shows the list of buy and sell stocks. This is the output from my scanner. Similarly, if you have your own Excel scanner, we can easily connect it to our Algo software. After that, your scanner output will be automatically placed as order across all brokers' accounts using our Algo software. Now let's see how quantity will calculate in our Algo software. In the Algo settings, you can configure what percentage of your total capital should be used per stock. For example, if you set it 10% and you have 1 lakh in your trading account, then the capital will be split accordingly. 10,000 will be allotted for each script. For example, now in the Excel sheet, you can see the DMART is priced at 4,000 per share. So, based on the 10,000 allocation, you can buy only two quantities. Another example is SBI Life. Its current price is 1800. So you can buy 5 quantities within the same 10,000 limit. Yeah. The next, how orders placed from Excel. There are two ways. The Excel script is scheduled to trigger automatically every day at 9:30 a.m. or your preferred time. You can configure this inside the Excel files. Once the Once triggered, the orders are sent to multiple broker accounts at the same time. Alternatively, you can place order manually by clicking the Algo trigger button. Whenever you click the button, the orders will be placed across all your brokers without any delay. Alright, the current time is 10:18 p.m. and since the market is closed, I am running this only for demo purpose. Let's proceed with the demo to see how it works. Okay. This is the Allies Blue account. The order was placed at 10:18 p.m. You can also see that in Upstack account, the order was placed at the same time 10:18 p.m. You can also see that in Fayas account, the order was placed at the same time. Check that Profit Mart, also Cebu. So orders was placed at the same time 10:18 p.m. Okay. Orders are successfully triggered in Zerodha, Angel One, Mstock as well. Currently, I have configured 8 broker accounts in our Algo software. If you want to integrate any other broker accounts, feel free to let me know. We will configure that as well. If you would like to set up this system for yourself, just contact me on WhatsApp. I will guide you step by step. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.